You know right, assassinate. Airport and Timaya. Mojana Nanu Shegu Edigu on my yeah.
Me mobi bi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Endra ye the breaking news bi bremo. Na abrantie bi trese wedi 28 ewo abesim krobi a ye frɛ no Alaska ewo Sunyani. Na abrantie no ye kohun se wotwitwa ne pati ewo ne fie a wode nipa honam no nipa flesh no wode ahyehye fridge mu. Na me explaini se ne ye ya yetumi ekochi abrantie no akola bia wo ne area mu na wo yerae. Na I've seen a lot of people come at me ema ebimo cancer story no and share that 100% accurate. Me sanso ewo police phone send bia wo mo ebeka wa. Na story na me kan ye no omo a wo mo ka say and share that 100% accurate. And I understand you. I was speaking from the report of Ghana Police. Share official statement at Ghana Police for more ediafa and now they aba asem ne ho a. Wo mo tre say eyo mo police for na wo mo call ya wo mo kohwehwe abrantie no ne demo a wo mo hu ye. Em say sa asem a me kan ye no nkrafo a wo mo ti Sunyani ho reach out to me tre say enye police for na eye area mu for. In fact you see omo ko report asem ne ma police akola na yera no police for emma ebusuanfo ne ekoye na ebusuanfo ne ekọ no ena akola no ne maame wo su a akola ne maame ka se da bibi tre ne se akola no wo abrantie no ho nti omo kwa abrantie no ho nti area no for egadae ena wo mo kwa abrantie no ho nti omo kwa abrantie no ho no ena wo mo ekobie edan no ba akumu a wo mo ehun se wetwa akola ne ti ansa na yekofre police for na ba but un se story be say no se police for no ba report ya. The police will not say wo mo sake nkrofo ne se nkrofo ne mom enko hwehwe nkola no otherwise se bega say ade na Ghana police mo yes nti police for tre say wo mo ne nkrofo ne koye nti no that is where the confusion is coming from. But aside this particular confusion, I think the story is still intact. It changes nothing about the story. Say a branch and which antro initially akolane no ne akolane nam nkrofo hu say no ne akolane nam akolane nam fofo kran hu say no ne abranche ne nam enti abranche ne betwa antro a wo ka say unhu akolane kraye no eno ene ma ebo kokose da bi yenko hwehwe abranche ne fie a yekohwehwe ne fie a yekohu say wotwitwa nipa ena why side no. So let's go and listen to police penyi ba konsem a wakan because ya to say police for ebe assign psychologist ama ebusuanfo no ade a wo mokohu ye no ebia na atomo so enti no yenkotie police for what they are saying na yekotie ba yasanso ede more ebebro. Now this particular story a story bia a lot of people are sharing their thoughts oko social media senya nkrofo kasa wa asem we ho no enya asem ketwa enti ne yenkotie mbra ye wi ana asem no de eto aso no ye de ababa beka ho amamo.
We are aware that there are traumatized persons involved in this crime, i.e. the affected family members, the community members, and even the police officers who are involved in this scene search and investigation, that they need to be supported psychologically. So clinical psychologists and counselors have been dispatched to support persons affected. Again, we are aware that police alone cannot solve all issues and incidents like this. And the members of the public are very critical in police accident investigation process. Therefore, 2 police liaison officers have been selected and will avail their services from tomorrow. And this will be spearheaded by the Bono Regional Police Command. And their work is simple: to liaise with the members or the families affected and the police so that we were able to know how far we have gone to the accident investigation and issues that bothers the family members. Through them, the administration will know and deliver swift redress.
Inti police no in someone or more akano. Now I have some issues concerning this particular thing I'm a person me to ya. Omwa wamoko hu se abrante no we kum akola no. Na obviously akola no nebusuanfo na na ehwehwe e no moko abrante no finti akola no nebusuanfo ka ho. Mebo omo abaso omo ayade. Etiefo enye ye nina na ebetumi ehu se sebe manyame ma ensi benye nina ye nina na ebetumi ehu se ebia yemma ana ye ndofo wobi etwa omuti ato ne dem fridge mu na ya chi nipa kro no na ye se ye hande nipa kuna ma police etiefo obedi mi adanse enye ye nina na ye betumi ayesa ade no, because some of us the least we can even think of say and there won't so ye betwa otini bi. I'm just telling you the truth. And I'm not saying that what I'm saying is right. It is obviously not right. It is against the laws of this country. But not all of us have that strength. Say when who say will be a kumodo for pan na watching nipa kone de na akọ she police for say police for munje no. Nkofo bebre wo mu hu saa wo mu be kun bi na ateka. Nti de me meka ne say ebusuanfo no mebo omo abaso. Omo ayade pan. Now, I think, sir, due to the rising concern of issues like this, no, I was say, utiemia. Now, ye na ye used to approach bia your friend no the Ajagreja approach. Mr. Momuntieme, Ajagreja. Sa papa ya, and I was odifo ya. Ubedi blog ya interview no ye na ye used to ni approach. Now, so the phone nsɛm a waka ne sɛ wono ɔse sɛ wonam wiasɛm a wɔdwen 70% adwenbɔne ɛnyɛ sɛ bia wɔbɛdi wewu ana wɔbɛdi ubɔne o, but the 70% adwenbɔne a wɔdwen no deɛ ɛda ne trim ɛne sɛ ohun nipa bia wɔ beebi a ohun ne sɛ daabi nipa we wɔ pɛmi edi mewu nti maninda me ho so na saa deɛ no ɛma ɔno ɔsurvive ɛwɔ wiasɛm mu. Ebi ana nipa no mpese obedi na ewu. Ebi ana nipa no genuinely osre akere no. Be san se wo sa ade no woni triminti. Upesa wo che na ade ana wo frɛ na asoma no se wondi wachinye we kra onko because ono ehye ni trim di dada se upesa wo ye den wudi na ewu. It is sad. Basanya Ghana ekosisi an etiefo. E wo se ye ni na ye fa sa approach no. Se ye wu neighbor kra na enye sa eni kwanza okasa we dio emi neighbor nti e wo say ye ni na ye this approach ni nam unama 70% adwinfin se wo bi pewekum fa hye wo trim se wo bi pewekum nti no ye sa na ma we ni down ho so rough it wo hwe Ajagreja sabi insu a wonom kra na wonnom plastic water onnom insu a e wo plastic bottle mu. Why? Because sa adwen ni hye ni trim se wo bi betumi a poison no. It insu a wonom e glass. Say glass there untumi poison, untumi fa panie enwo glass on enfa poison ngum. Nti ne ni dane ho so o frɛ na akɔ baby a omba because ni trim no ehyem. Se wo bedi na ewu. Se ni aga na akɔ akodu sisi ano, saa na wo se sisi a ye fa ya adwen. Me ye sure say last month saa Uber ana Bolt driver na ye koko kun no e wo Kumase no sebe na nko no so yes na adwen saa nanka onwu because oye na adwen saa ena nipa ko ne de no ko hye nwrem ena nipa ko ne ka se beboa me yem be fast speakers na onko because ebe na adwen se da bi nipa ko ne ko di mewu nti on di nipa ko ne chi nko nanka ende wenya ne nkwa akola we nanka no so yes saa nanka sebe papa no e frɛ no se o branan ye we no ne ne nantia nanka onko mesremo ye wa ha say last 2 months or say last 3 months with the reports be bremo abrantie bia wono ankasa ni neighbor wo mote compound house. I mean mama mo ata say compound house ni we I don't know the difference but sa efie na nkofu bebre won sa settings ni bi efie ankofu bebre wo bia den etitim ni bi akola wata soma no e wo fie ho abrantie fa akola ne ko hye ni dem kun no owie no odwa ne ye muni amokai Mukai Sasem no. Last 2 months was the last month, and I brought you that story. So now it has gotten to a point where people you know, people in your area, people who are your neighbors, are the people committing these crimes. And so the best way to survive is say ye would train no adwemfin. Menka say kobo obi etrimoden, menka say kobo obi wicked. But my adwemfin no ento would trim say onipa we wo pemie di mewu. Enu hunti enye bebia na obekọ. Oye ne sa you survive. Sisi a bebia ga na edu na yehu. Ayehu papa. Okotina Uber mu a make sure so be my driver na hu say hey Uber no o number ne location ya ma share ama madam fu bi because me trust still catch no me trust still ma share o number ama me nan fofo se bibi kosi bone a ye be chew nti no bone e woni bako ni trim kran na obesesa because onim se masa weni ada ho so. It is very sad say ye maya ye do sisiano. That is what is becoming of our country. But the little we can do to help ourselves. O akola wo fia. Ma akola nenti asie sisia. Se afiansa Ghana ayedin. Afiansa Ghana ayehu. Then times me ka yeswano ni ye ka train twitwe nti sa time no unhu obi a sebe umbeno me ka embra mi swano. Me book bi na me read. I've forgotten the title of that book. But book no moral lesson e tre me say me ni mobi na le bako ne frame ya ma me nko. And since then me di niye inti embra mi so no me area mu for no mo mpem asem me akola no me area mu for no mo mpem asem because omo frame me so mo so ma me a me ka tron mo so ya so ma me deda inti omo de be ye me din. But you see, it was because of the books I was reading when I was young. It was because of the things I was told when I was young. In some way, you catch them, and on the mammy, yes, sir. In Crawford, so 3 more than but if you are looking out for your own self, don't like now. Undi will be bonia, men will be in fact guilt, and it's our dream. So it is time we told our kids at home these things. Obi fra wa menko, obi fra so soma wa menko, obi di tofi dada wa menko. Because sisi a Ghana yehu papa. Inti dia wa no etie for me sre, mo try mo adwo comment box ni mo medase.